how we compare these two numbers. Now when I look at these two numbers, I'm noticing some things that are going to make it challenging to compare. First of all, this one is a mixed number, and this one is a fraction greater than 1. That's hard to compare because I don't know how many wholes are in this number. I also notice that my denominators are not the same. That's something else that's going to make it hard to compare. So I'm looking at this and immediately thinking I'm going to have to do two different things. I'm going to have to rename a fraction, and I'm going to have to figure out a way to get a common denominator so I can compare. So I'm going to go ahead and rename 21/4 because I think mixed numbers are a little easier to work with. So I'm going to rename 21/4 by taking out the wholes. Now how many fourths are going to be in one whole? We have 4 fourths in one whole. Now I need to see, do I have enough to take out any more wholes? Well, I had 21/4 and I've taken away 4 fourths. So I'm going to have 17/4 remaining. So I can take out another one. So I'm going to take out another 4 fourths. Let's see how much I have left now. 17/4 minus 4 fourths is going to be 13/4. So do I have enough to take away another 4 fourths? I do. And we'll see what I have remaining. 13/4 minus 4 fourths is going to equal 9 fourths. So I've taken away one whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and I represent that over here. I still have enough to take out another one because I have 9 fourths remaining. So now I've got 9 fourths minus 4 fourths, which is going to equal 5 fourths. So I can take out another whole. And we're going to see, can I take out another one? Oops, I'm sorry. I should have represented taking out 4 fourths, not 5 fourths. So I've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to do my subtraction one more time, so I've caught up with it. And I get 1 fourth remaining. So I need to include that 1 fourth. Okay, so I've already done a lot of work, and I haven't even finished my first of 2 jobs. Remember, I realized that I'm going to need to rename a fraction and compare. I've created a number bond, but I haven't renamed it yet. So each one of these 4 fourths is equal to 1 whole. So you can represent that if you need to. Then we're going to count up how many wholes we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes. And our fractional piece left over is 1 fourth. So now we're comparing 5 and 1 fourth, and 5 and 2 fifths. Remember, we had 2 jobs to do in order to complete this task. So we renamed, and now we need to compare. Now, notice how my wholes are the same? That tells me I don't have to worry about it, because each has 5 wholes and a fractional piece. So I just need to compare those fractional pieces. So to compare those, I'm going to draw an area model. I'm actually going to draw 2, and they're going to be the exact same size. Okay. This one I'm going to represent using vertical lines. Vertical lines go up and down, and since I have fourths, I'm going to have 4 columns up and down, and I'm going to shade 1 fourth. So I have 4 pieces, and I shaded 1 of them. Over here I'm going to represent 2 fifths, but I'm going to represent those with horizontal lines. And notice horizontal lines go side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to shade 2 of them because my numerator tells me how many pieces I need to shade in. Okay, I'm still not done. I haven't finished comparing. So now, in this one, I'm going to make the same number of rows because I'm finding a common denominator. So for this one, I'm going to end up doing 1 fourth times 5 over 5. And I can represent that by adding in my 5 columns. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this equals 20 pieces. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded.